Talk about the formulation and the cost in the market. Your water, you need 8 kg of water. Titanium dioxide for the economy based paint, you need about 2 to 3 kg, 2 to 2.5 3 kg. Within this range is okay for economy. That and the economy. Guys, you're welcome back to Preface Chemical. Today we want to discuss one of the major important factors you need to consider when you want to be a paint producer, or you want to produce a paint and you want to have a relaxing mode, or you want to produce a paint and you want to make profit. How to make profit while producing paint. These are some of the things you need to know, because if you are producing paint and what you just know is that there is measurement of chemicals you need to add to a certain paint to produce. As well, you need to always check your costing. Costing is one of the major factors you need to consider when you want to produce paint. Okay, you want to produce emulsion based paint and your project cost is about 9,000, the economy based paint, or 10,000 naira, and you want to produce this paint. You have spent about 9,000 just to produce a paint you want to sell for 9,500 naira. You are running at loss. So at least on a budget of your production cost shouldn't be more than, on a budget of 9,000 naira paint, your budget should be around 7,000 to 7,500 on the production cost, with overhead and labor charges. So this is just an economy based formulation ideas. So this is what will take you to one of my video I discuss about importance of measuring tools in paint production. When you want to produce paint and you don't understand the tools of measurement, you'll be running your business at loss. So, and the idea of formulation and costing comes together. So let me just give today out the formulation for producing a lower grade, like an economy based satin paint. For production of satin paint, these are the chemicals you need to produce quality satin paint. You need your water, you need your titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide are of grade A, grade B, grade C, and when you are going to market, you should always select the best of the titanium dioxide. There are some titanium dioxide that are not good for production of satin, and there are some that are good for production of emulsion paint that are not good for satin, because of the coverage capacity is required when you are producing satin paint. You need a quality acrylic. Acrylic is of a grade A and grade B as well. You need an acrylic that can give you high quality shyness and give you some beautiful results. Then you need your natuzol. The natuzol is either a thickener. Is either you use a natuzol or permacore. These are all thickener, but there is difference between the two. If you plan to use your paint immediately, permacore is recommended because of the cost of purchasing the permacore compared to natuzol. But if you plan to produce your paint for a longer period of time, I think natuzol is highly recommended. Then, which you have your bucket. Bucket is what you can't produce your paint on empty hand or on rough bucket. You have to present it in a high quality, neat and very tidy bucket. You need your buffer solution. The buffer solution, what the buffer solution will do is it will create some chemical reaction in the production process that will fasten the production process. Then we need your deformer. What is the deformer? In the production of satin paint, when you want to blend your titanium dioxide, you need a janitor. The janitor is what will fasten the blending rate of the titanium pigment. Then after the janitor have been added, it creates some foaming at the top surface of the mixing. So the addition of deformer is to reduce the foaming that occurs on the surface of this paint production during production, and also it stops foaming on doing application of paint on the wall. Preservative will increase the lifespan of the paint either before use or after use. There are some preservative that you had for paint that will make the paint to stay in the bucket without being attacked by termites or by microorganisms in the water from the paint production process, and it will allow your paint to stay for longer period in your bucket. And there are some chemicals preservative that are after painting. These are the EPW. These are the antifungals chemical that protect fungi from growing in your paint after application. Then you need your juniper, your carbon. I discussed about it. The carbon is to reduce the pH of the water. Hexanol is a coolant agent in the paint production, and also it gives some shining effect of the silk or satin paint after production. Now let's talk about the formulation and the cost in the market. Your water, you need 8 kg of water. Titanium dioxide for the economy based paint, you need about 2 to 3 kg, 2 to 2.5 3 kg. Within this range is okay for economy. And the economy is the cost of the economy is also a very good paint. Then you need your natuzol. Your natuzol can be 175 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml. That is about 200 gram, or 125 gram to 200 gram, depending of how fast do you want to apply it immediately. These are some factors you need to consider when you want to select the natuzol. Then the bucket is over a piece. The buffer solution 100 ml, the former 50 gram. You need your preservative. We have formalin, we have ammonia, we have acticide, we have EPW. These are all preservative. Just have like 50 gram of this is okay for a paint you want to use. Then you need your juniper 50 gram, your carbon 30 gram. Then your hexanol is 500 gram, which is about 0.5 kilo. So let's discuss about the cost of these chemicals in the market today. We have this water is free, but you have to get a very pure water. We have titanium dioxide. The quality titan is about 4,000 to 4,500. We have the one of 3,000, so it depends on your capability. Then the acrylic is 1,300, 1,400 naira per kg. We have your natuzol. Natuzol is about 6,500 naira per kg. While Bamako is about 5,500 to 6,000, just about 1,000 naira difference. We have your bucket. Bucket is about 2,000 naira in Lagos market. Then the buffer solution, these are very cheap. It's about 300 naira or 400 naira per kg. The former is 300 or 400 naira per kg. We have the local deformer and imported deformer. Both can work for the paint production, as they serve the purpose of reducing the foaming on the surface of the paint during production. Then preservative, we have formalin. Formalin is 800 naira or 900 naira per kg. Then we have ammonia, almost 1,000 naira per kg. Then EPW is very expensive. EPW is about 3,000 per kg. Then juniper is 300 naira per kg. Carbon is 800 naira per kg. Then hexanol is 3,000 naira per kg. These are what you need for production of an economy-based satin paint. So, guys, this is Preface Chemical. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for you to know more about what paint look like. With this channel, you can get your dream aim of becoming a paint producer. I will give you everything you need, all the fundamentals about paint production, all the color ideas, color formulation ideas, how you can combine different colors together to achieve your color desire. Thank you guys. My name is Wahab Biliamin Oladimeji.